In this video, you are going to see how to move signature in Microsoft Word document. Here I have a Leave application and here I have the signature. If I want to move it, this is not actually possible, but here I have made a movable signature box and I can move it and I can keep it anywhere in my Word document. So in this video, you will see how I made this. To be an expert, watch the video till the end. Let's get started. Suppose I want to make the signature box over here. Go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a text box and drag it over here like this. Now click on over here, go to Insert, go to Table and select a 1x2 table. In the second row, let me write here the name and employee ID. Now let me select the table by clicking over here the 4 arrow key. Click on right button, go to table properties, go to border and shading, go to border. Let me remove the top border, the bottom border, the left border and the right border. Then click on OK, click on OK. Then you will see the border will be removed. Now you may decrease the table size to make it like this. Now click on the text box, go to shape format, go to shape outline, make it no outline. Now you can move the signature box anywhere in your Word document, as you can see here. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.